Joe O'Key with the O'Key Group, and we are holding an open house today in Eagle Rock, and I've got Gary Blau with me from OnQ Financial, and we're going to ask him a couple of questions for you new buyers out there of things you need to get approved and go through and get a loan. All right?
That is a good question. I've worked at both, so I know the answer to that. Banks are they have certain rules, rigid guidelines, and if you don't fall into those guidelines, no loan. However, as a mortgage banker, we can shop your loan to many different investors and greenlight you right away. We also have in-house underwriting, which is huge. We do everything under one roof, so there's not waiting around for somebody to get back to us. We're not mortgage brokers where they send it out and have to wait, and we do everything in-house. I have my own personal processor and underwriter that work for me solely, so I get answers as quick as I want them. Well, it's a little different for self-employed opposed to salaried people. If you're a salaried individual and you're afraid, you're like, oh my gosh, I just left my job, I'm starting a new job, don't worry about it. One pay stub will take care of it. Now, however, if you're self-employed, it's a little different. The underwriters need to see a 2-year history. So if you're self-employed, we need to see that you have been self-employed for 2 years in that same field. If you jump from self-employed 1 year to another complete job, self-employed 1 year, you gotta wait that 2 years. Otherwise, you got a co-bar on there to help you qualify. What's going on with rates? People always ask me, are they going up? Are they going down? If I had that answer, I would be a multi-millionaire. But what I can tell you is in the last year or so, we have hit literally the historic lows ever. They have come off that low by about 1% or so and have gradually been going up. We have predicted, or I shouldn't say we, the Fed has predicted in 2015 is when the first rate hikes could possibly happen. It's already been priced into the market. My suggestion is, if you're looking for a house, buy it now. Prices are still great. Rates are still incredibly low. Not at the lowest, but in the 4% range is a phenomenal rate to get for the rest of your life. One of the biggest misconceptions is the old credit report. You know, when I talk to people, they're like, well, don't run my credit because my score is going to go down. Inquiries, do they affect a credit score? Yes. They're the most minimal thing that do affect your credit score is inquiries. One thing that people don't know either, when you're shopping for a home loan, and I always advise people, shop around, please do, but when it's time to go to escrow, make your decision, is you can run in a 30-day period, you can run mortgage inquiries in that 30-day period 1,000 times, and it will not affect your score any differently than running it once. There's a lot of rules and things I can tell you about with credit scores and things to get prepared. So give me a call anytime and I can give you all that information. First thing you should do is give me a call regarding anything with credit. Don't do anything. Some occasions paying things down will help. Some occasions closing things can hurt your score actually. Actually, people that have small collection accounts, they think, wow, I'll pay this off real quick. That can actually lower your score, sometimes even 100 points. It's a weird system, the credit scoring business. I've been around for about 18 years doing this business, and I know the ins and outs of it, and I can definitely help you and tell you what to do and what not to do when it comes to credit.